Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Pathfinder door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a few screwdrivers, perhaps a trim removal tool, and of course, your brand new replacement door handle. Make sure it's the correct one for your vehicle model. Working in a well-lit, comfortable space will make this job much easier and safer for you. Preparation is key to a smooth repair. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. You might find a few screws holding it in place, usually around the armrest or door pull. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for power windows or locks. Then, you'll unbolt the old handle from its mounting points, typically 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully detach any linkage rods. With the old handle out, it's time to install your shiny new one. First, carefully position the new handle and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Make sure they are snug, but don't over-tighten. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors and any linkage rods. Before putting the door panel back on, give the new handle a good test. Open and close the door a few times to ensure it operates smoothly and correctly. You're almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Align all the clips and push firmly until they snap into place. Don't forget to reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Once the panel is secure, perform a final check. Open and close the door from both the inside and outside to confirm smooth operation. Also, test your power windows and door locks to ensure everything is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.